Okay everyone, today we're back at an Esso gas station located on Yonge Street near Green Lane in Newmarket. And that still has a LaserWash 4000. And guess what? It is working now. Get the code machine. There we go. What's the code? So 175. Oh my.
Your code number has been accepted. Please drive ahead slowly.
Okay. Here we go. So this is a LaserWash 4000 and this is the ultimate wash for $14.99. Here we go. Not the best coverage of a tri-foam, didn't even get the middle here. Yeah, the dryers are not even getting back anymore, which was really interesting. Okay, where can I park now, like to see how I've washed it? I don't think I can make this turn. I don't think I can, but I will try. I think I can. Yes. There we go. We made it. So we will turn. I guess I will park. Maybe right here. Yeah, let's park here and see how I've washed it. So dryers did well on the sides a little bit here. Right here too. Didn't do well here. Didn't get all this off. I don't think that was there like before the wash, like the high pressure winds like didn't even get that off. And for some reason I feel like for the high pressure winds was like low pressure water sort of thing. Like than the awful LaserWash Pro versions that I filmed over the years. Dryers didn't get all this off here. And there's a little bit of soap on the back of the car. So yeah. Dryers didn't do well with it here. I was too far ahead for the dryers to reach, so yeah. This used to be a Husky station, by the way, and I thought I almost had a failed attempt with a second coating of pre-soak when the arm was going really slow. I ran for front instead of the back, instead of full speed, like it does that for some reason now. The dryers didn't do well on the roof, so yeah. Overall, for a car wash, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. So yeah, this is one for 300 subscribers special. Thanks again for 300 subscribers. I really hope everyone enjoys my car wash videos. So yeah, anyways, we're going to get going now. Thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.